In the past, 90% of the Indian people in urban and rural areas, even in metropolitan cities, use it to wake up due to this beautiful chirping sound of the Indian sparrow. They are going extinct by who? Us humans. Mobile towers radiation affects their navigation system and reproductive health. The decline in insects due to heavy pesticides which can cause cancers even to us humans. Increased air pollution, noise levels and destruction of green spaces. Based on the observation from World Sparrow Day on March 20, 2026, their population has declined 50% from the past. They are cute and adorable birds that needed to be saved. Hashtag Save Sparrows.